Audacity is a free and open source audio editing and recording software. It is used to record, edit, and improve your sound quality of your audio. But did you know that Audacity have some very nice plugins that you can be able to use right inside Audacity? Well, one of the plugins that I'm going to show you, which is called OpenVino AI Effects, can use to generate music, used to separate your music into different stems, and also noise suppressions, and can do transcription as well. So that's what we're going to look at, how to use that plugins inside Audacity. So how do you get these plugins? All the plugins for Audacity. One of the central location that you can be able to get is the Muse Hub. Muse Hub is a desktop application that works like a store, and you can download music, software application, and sound libraries. So here you can see this is Muse Hub. You have to click in the link below to download this. And once you do that, you can sign up. And here you have some free plugins, free software that you can be able. Now take note, this is only to do with audio and sound, music, audio recording software. So it's all in this central location that you can just come in and install the plugins and also the application itself. So here you can see these are some of the applications here, but what we're interested in is the plugins. So let's go to the plugins. In here you can see this is the plugins here. So right in the plugins you have some free plugins, you have some paid ones that you can be able, now depend on whatever that you are doing. But for now we're going to look at the OpenVino AI tool. So let's set here OpenVino AI tool and click that to set for it. So once you set it, you can see it's under plugins. You have the OpenVino AI tool. So click this to open it, and you can be able to install that. So I have already installed it. So let's go back to Audacity. In Audacity, we want to transcribe the audio that I have. So to transcribe the audio, simply drag your audio in here. And this is the audio I want to transcribe. And since you already installed the OpenVino AI tool, you come to the effects here and you can see it will be installed right here. And you can see all this one now become active. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the whisper transcription. So let's click that to transcribe our audio. So let's select our audio, go to the effects and OpenVino effects and select whisper transcription. Now you can see this tool coming up. You don't need to change anything. You just click apply. And you can see it's starting to transcribe your audio. So for those of you have a YouTube channel or whatever that you want to do, you can always use this tool. It's a 100% free tool that you can use to transcribe your audio. So it takes almost 1 minute to transcribe my audio. So here all the transcription of this audio here. Now don't mind about how it shows here, because when you export this, it's gonna be just flowing with the audio. So how do you export that? Make sure to select it, go to File, Export Other, and Export Labels. Once you click this, you have the option of selecting Save as Type. Now here you have the subrib text or SRT, and you have the WAV VTT. So which file you want to, you can always do that. Let's select subrib text, and now we have that, and we can save. That's all you need to do, and there you go. You have a nice transcription. So there you go. That's a nice plugin in Audacity. Thank you again for watching, and see you back again in another video.